Wonder what should be on the mind of a content creator. Are you someone who loves watching YouTube but never understood what goes on behind the business for content creators? Well, we're going to discuss that in this video to help the content creators, as well as make it more palatable for you, the YouTube viewer. If you enjoy the content on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you're down every time we drop a new life gains video. Because on this channel, we're about helping you make life gains in every area of your life: finance, fitness, technology, and definitely building your YouTube channels. If you really like this channel, also go over there and subscribe to my Patreon. That's one of the things we'll discuss in this video. Now let's get into it.
In time, you will know what it's like to lose. To feel so desperately that you're right, but to fail all the same. Dread it. Run from it. Destiny still arrives.
What's good, YouTube? All knowing, all loving, all feeling, all seeing, all powerful, just damn all everything. The sexy as hell host of the Life Gains channel. We're bringing you guys more life gains and building your YouTube business, making that thing pop, and really voicing your messages. If you enjoy the content on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you're down every time I drop a new video. Also, go over there and check out the Life Gains deal site. It's in the video description, shop.lifegains.com. And also, if you really love the channel, you want to collab with me, you want to learn more, go join my Patreon and I will hit you up with some of the best tips I can give you. And so, we're talking about what is the purpose of YouTube for content creators. A lot of people tend to forget why content creators came here in the first place, and we're going to talk about that right now. But first, let me go on ahead and put on my +7 glasses of the sexy as hell, because we're working on skilling up this craft, giving you a better YouTube experience and definitely something better to look at. So for content creators, being on YouTube, YouTube is a platform for you guys to share your vision, your message, your service, your product, who you are with the world, so that you can either entertain or educate and inform, or do them all at the same time. That is the purpose of YouTube for a content creator. And while you're doing all those things, you want to be trying to build a business with creating that content. You don't just want YouTube ad revenue to be the only way you make money. And nowadays you've got to have, if you're just getting started, so many views, so much watch time before you make money. I want you guys to start considering, how can you make money around that apparatus without getting a lot of views or without having a whole lot of subscribers? And so one of the ways you can build that business is by creating courses through Udemy, through other platforms that allow you to make courses on whatever it is you specialize, whether you are in real estate, you're a fitness person, you are a hair person, you're a makeup person, you're a glamour person. When you get a few people watching you and they really like your style, they like what you're about, you can create courses around that and sell it to them, and then you're just basically duplicating yourself amongst other people, helping them build something as well. So you can create courses. You can get sponsorship deals. We've been doing videos all this week on how to get sponsorship deals, how to get brand deals, how to get people to invest in you based on what they see. You can also use the platforms of Patreon, PayPal, and other donation sites to have your subscribers and content and other people that watch your stuff donate to you. I know plenty of channels right now that only have 3,000 subscribers. They can't even get on FameBit, and they're making $800 to $1,000 a month just off people donating to their message. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have a good message, you're giving away good knowledge, people will definitely pay for that. Another way you build this business as a content creator is selling your goods and services, whatever it may be. So you've got people doing websites that specialize in whatever they specialize in. They're selling those services via the website, and they use YouTube as an entertainment advertising source to get their message out, grab subscribers, and sell their products. And you know, some people like me, I'm into fitness, I'm into real estate, I'm into money saving, but I'm also into cord cutting. I utilize all those different things I'm into to gain an audience, and sometimes here and there sell something to them, make some money off of it. Here's one that's really important that I think goes overlooked a lot, and that's building long-term relationships with the individuals involved around YouTube, from sponsors to other YouTubers to people that create videos to all the different things that go around making a YouTube channel. Building networks with individuals that can help you do that is probably the ultimate thing you can do in this game for long-term success. You know, I've said in another video that if you're broke, you're poor, and you got bad credit, you still have the ability to run your mouth and network, because someone will believe in you, someone will see your hard work, someone will see how bad you want it, and they'll invest with you. And that, my friends, is how you build a relationship and create networking, which is great. Now, if you want to collab and network with me, Life Gains, you let me know where you're at. I'm doing collabs this year. That's something that I want to be a foundation of my channel, interviewing great people. And right now I'm trying to interview great YouTubers who are trying to come up in this world, spread their message, because we can all learn together, and that is something I'm very passionate about. So if you want to do that, hit me up. Any of the links you can find me, and let's see if we can make a collaboration happen and build a long-term relationship with each other. That's going to do it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to like my video, comment, and subscribe. Go get yourself that damn life gain. Content creators, never forget the mission and the vision of your channel, because you can make it happen if you just put in the work, stay vigilant about it, and keep networking. And until that next sexy as hell video, I'll see you.
On the list is that it is normal to lose subscribers. Yeah, it's so normal that you should expect, as your channel grows, that when you upload a new video, there's a really good chance that you're going to lose subscribers with every single video that you upload.
I've been creating content now that has been getting me paid for probably 2.5, 3 years or so. And I started just about where anybody would start, you know, taking portraits of your friends, seeing your photos. You find friends and family who are, you know, needing some photo or some video. I primarily started in photo, but this still applies to both worlds. And over that period of time, I've come to realize there are 3 main things that have helped me get to where I am today, where this is now my full-time career. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the first tip, which is leverage the power of social media. Whether we like it or not, social media nowadays has quite literally become like a digital business card for just about anybody who's trying to make a name in the content creation industry. A lot of clients you'll encounter in today's market are generally pretty active on social media, and will most likely be taking a look at your social media, whether that be Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, generally to kind of get a scope for who you are, what you're doing, prior to actually reaching out